train NFB is here. NFB stands for Not for Boarding at Punggol Coast Platform A. I think they're heading to Sengkang Depot from this station, Punggol Coast. I announced everyone they think they're riding this train, but it's actually not for boarding. I think every Northeast Line Harbour Front and Punggol is always not for boarding. I think train service will be going to Punggol, right? Yeah, there it is. Next station, Punggol. Well, it's not for boarding. And there's the Punggol Coast Overrun. Have fun at the Sengkang Depot! Long time I didn't say. At this Say, what's that music? I need to find it. And there's the Punggol Coast Overrun. Next train will be 3 minutes at this platform A, and next one is 6 minutes at platform B. Because Punggol Coast is the final station of the Northeast Line, station number 18. But the station number 1 is Harbourfront. Station number 3 is Outram Park. I think they skipped 2. I think they changed the number. There are only 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Looks like the train is here. I can hear it. It is. Now this train can board. Now it's time to go my home in Sengkang Station. Just remember this track. This is the tunnel tracks from Punggol Coast Overrun stations. There are no more stations after Punggol Coast. Punggol Coast is the new station that finally opens on 10 December 2024. I wish this train would be going forward to Overrun. I think the OP has a buffer stop like Harbourfront. This one's probably reminds me like Marina Bay's Overrun. Hope I didn't forget something. Okay, I have still my items. Power banks. I use my phone 6. No wait, my dad brought them. I use my phone Samsung actually. Anyways, on to the next station. This train service will end at Harbourfront. Next station, Punggol. See you in different days, Punggol Coast.
Next station, Punggol Interchange. Passengers be alight and change to Punggol LRT line. Bye. station.
把鹅
Please mind the gap.
请小心后系 berhati-hati di ruang platform
தயவு செய்து தள மேடை இடைவெளியை கவனத்தில் கொள்ளுங்கள்.
Welcome to Punggol Station. Now there are only 15 stations left to Harbourfront, but I'm going to my home, which is Sengkang Station. That is after Punggol Station to Harbourfront.
Doors closing. Please move to the center of the car and hold onto the handrail. Thank you.
A light station? That's where I'm alighting. Sengkang.
Next station, Sengkang Interchange. Passengers may alight and change to the Sengkang LRT line. Thank you.
And we are now about to approaching Sengkang Station.
Sengkang Station.
Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye!